Hello family, today is another day as we continue with our dampness treatment for this project right here in Kasoa, Aplaku, close to King's University. As I always say, if you are treating dampness, it's good you get corridors, then you mix it with sand because some of the sands, sometimes they contain salt. Then you have to get a very good concrete blocks. Concrete blocks, so not sandcrete, concrete, to replace the affected ones, you understand? What happens is that if you don't replace the affected ones and you just treat them with time, it will reoccur again. So these are the measures we are putting in place. This is the property. Hello, madam. How are you seeing the project so far?
Yeah, so far we just started not long ago, and I think they are doing a great job as they usually do.
So as madam said, we always give our client the best because every client deserves the best. So when we came, the whole year is affected. Normally this place they do tiles, but I said, oh, let's treat it in addition for the client because the client deserves the best and the client is special. Hello guys, anytime you are using the sand, remove all the impurity. So Christopher, you can come forward. One thing too, if you are doing your plaster, most of you don't set gauge. Christopher, come. Then you zoom it for them. You set gauge. If you see this style, this is gauge. This will help align your plastering perfectly so that you get a perfect result. And we are giving this client double protection. So we have one DPC down here. Your DPC should not come and sit directly to the ground. Okay. If it comes directly to the ground, madam, what happens is that when the plastic comes directly to the ground, the new moisture will pass through and affect the work you have done. So there should always be a barrier for your plastering, so that you can get the best of services. So this is what we do. If you need us, you can call us on 055-011-2634. And don't forget to subscribe, share, write your thoughts in the comment section. Mr. Michael, how is the way going? Okay. So, okay. Okay. So, Mr. Michael, once you have to know everything you are doing, do your best. We are working on a building. Someone will be working on our family members. Someone can be a doctor. So if you give your best, the same thing. The word is a word of karma, reciprocal. So every client that we meet, whether small or big, we should make sure we give them the best of services. You understand? And always make sure you don't use the normal water. Treat the water. Because the salt content, what happens that if you use the normal water that contains salt, after a while it will weaken the chemicals. And the client will say you didn't do a good job. So we don't use normal water, we use treated water for the work. So that's what we are doing. And always, you guys should make sure the site is always clean, okay? So if you can see, we have successfully treated this area. As I always say, if you are treating dampness without placing a barrier, it's cost 90. So this is the barrier. But this place will give the client double protection. If you can see, this is Oversite. This is where the actual DPC is. But it's too high. This place, what happens if you don't place another barrier here, this plastic comes directly into the sand. The salt and the water content will rise again. So you have to give the client double protection when it is about 1 foot. It's more than 1 foot. But if the barrier was supposed to be here, it's okay. So anytime here, so that's what the people have to do. Madam, you are looking very beautiful.
Thank you, engineer.
Hey, you are enjoying, pal.
Oh.
So family, that's what we are doing right here in Kasoa. If you can see, as I always say, they should treat it before they do any other thing. You know what happens that most people, they do mistake. They wait after they are done with their painting, everything, their graviato, their tiles, before they see the sign, they call us. The moment you are about to build, you should just call us. We don't only do this, we build, we design, we do electricals, plumbing, anything related to construction we do. So at the initial stage is the best time to treat dampness. Because what happens is that you see all this work you are doing going to cost you more work. But during the construction stage, when you invite us, we come and damp-proof it. It will be less and very cheap and fast, and more even secure than we coming to cut and do those things. So that's what the people have to do. So let's take a quick walk around the project again. Mr. Ahmed, how is the work going? You are doing a good job. Come here, come and do this side for the people. Put on your reflector, okay? So we have one of our masons also doing a very good work. Yes, so that's what we do. We give every client the best because every client to us is special. And every client to us deserve the best. The sun is worrying you, eh?
No, really.
Yeah. So one thing is, as we shouldn't tamper with their design.
Okay.
Yeah, so audience, so if you can see, we don't cut any service line. When I talk about service line, we have about 4 service lines. We have plumbing service line, we have electrical service lines, we have air conditioning service lines, we have heating service lines.
Okay.
We even have solar system and install service line. So one thing is, whenever you are working, you should always make sure that you don't interfere or you don't spoil those services. You understand? So that it does not cost the client more money to repair. So that's what we do. So this is the barrier we are placing. If you can see, this is what is going to prevent a new moisture and a new salt from rising into the property after you have finished treating it. I always say it's not that the chemicals are bad. No chemical is bad, but you are treating the disease without preventing the salt to be okay again. What we do is that we treat and we prevent the source so that the client get the best of services. So that's what we are doing right here in Cape Coast. If you need us,
Kasoa.
yeah, you can call us here right here in Kasoa. I love Cape Coast. So Christopher. So family, what I'm holding is a straight edge. Why do you need this? This will help your plastering to be aligned. Most of you, when you can say plastering and yet fair here. What we do that we do first, we do gauge. If you can see this tile, zoom it for them. These 2 tiles are the gauge. It helps us get the thickness of the plastering, and this straight edge is what is going to make sure that the whole plastering is aligned. Very perfect, very nice. So when we are done, keep watching to see the finished product, and you are going to love it. You understand? You are going to enjoy it. And subscribe, write your thoughts in the comment section. Don't forget to call us on our line if you need us. We are ready to serve you. We are ready to give you the best of services. And follow for more construction tips and safety measures. We love you. Stay blessed. Bye.
Bye.